Welcome to Wheeler Detailers, and in this video I will be telling you all the steps to undertake about professional leather restoration. So the last weeks I've been practicing a lot with the leatherexpert products, which is a lot of cleaners, preparers, but also fillers and also leather colorants. And I wanted to get the hang out of it on what steps do I need to undertake to do some professional leather restoration. So here we see also a part of the seat, which we're going to do in this video, which is completely worn off and neglected. And in this side I've already touched it up, I've cleaned it, I've prepared it, I've filled it, dyed it, top coated it. You can actually also see it here with a glossy top coat, a satin top coat or a matte top coat. So yeah, I'm going to show you all the steps that I've been practicing with, and hopefully this is helpful for your detailing and restoration activities as well. Enough said. Let's go to work. Some mask off the parts that we do not want to restore. So I already did a part of this seat, so I have to be quite precise to mask it off correctly. Also in the naadjes, Max will type the word here in the video again. I'm not sure what the English word for naadjes is. So instead of with a professional heat gun, we've learned only to work with a hair dryer. So I stole my wife's one, which is here. And let's first heat it up a little bit. So I actually made a complete 10-step procedure, which we can maybe integrate in a video that people can download it from our website. Might be useful. So then we start with leather cleaning. And here I've got a small bottle of the leatherexpert leather cleaner. It's also available in larger bottles. But they've got these small kits for every job to do. I'm gonna spray it in the bristles of the brush, of course also on the seat. And this is one of the key points. It's very important to clean leather thoroughly. You can also see already now that the foam is getting a little bit, let's say, beige-ish, yellowish. So that means we're cleaning pretty much a lot of body oils, sweat, grease. And regularly we will scrub it clean over the mid-slide in our bucket. And then apply a little. For some dyeing on top of the mixture of the adhesive promoter and the crosslinker, and we're gonna sponge it on today. This is a used sponge, but I'm gonna get a new one. But first, shake this one well. Also on the website you see there are 49 colors, so you can choose standardly from 49 colors. If you want to make color matches, maybe sometimes, you know, in this case gray, you want to make it a little bit more dark or a little bit more black, maybe I think it's the best idea to make a video on color matching, because that's a really specified topic, and I think if we're going to integrate it in this one, not sure if all that information sticks. We're going to apply the leather colorant, in this case color matched, to the foam applicator. I'm gonna apply that in thin and even layers. Each layer has to be dry before the next layer can be applied. Colorant. I'm gonna first spread it out. And I'm gonna tip. So 3 layers of colorant have been dried to the surface, and I have to say it already looks much better as it did before we started it. And now it's time to apply the top coat. We've got matte version, we've got gloss version, and we have satin version here. I'm gonna apply them all 3 for this video, so you have a good indication on how that finish would be. So enough said, let's go to work. Shake the product well. Divide now let's leave it here to cure for 15 minutes, and then we come back for some final conclusions and the end results. So we're back. Results are here. Now it also feels good. You can really see here the glossy top coat here, and to be honest, between the satin and the matte there is a difference, but I'm not quite sure if you can catch this on camera. Have it a little bit more angled, and I can see here a little bit like a satin shimmer, and over here it's completely matte, but it's not such a difference as between satin and between glossy. So let's release the masking tape. Of course, we have already been working on that part Sunday, practicing. But we can still see a part here that we didn't touch. You can also see how bad it was here. But if I look at the cracks as they were here, for example, that's quite good, eh? Here as well. It's nice. Here as well. This one, this was a really deep one, and also it was folded, it wasn't cracked. I've been practicing a little bit more than only on seats, also on this steering wheel. So here we see a small section on actually how it was. Then this is a part that we did in a previous training. This is a part that I've been working on as well for the last couple of weeks. And here's a part that we didn't touch. So this is how it was. To be honest, I think the results are quite good. So we have this steering wheel here also in the shop to show to customers what you can actually do with leather restoration and leather colorants. But yeah, maybe it's also a cool thing to make some close-ups and show the viewers what kind of results you can achieve with some cleaning, some preparing, some filling, some coloring, some top coating, etc, etc. So if you're into leather restoration, we also made a leather repair video of a steering wheel, and you can click on the pop-up banner to check that video as well. Thank you all for watching. See you guys and girls in the next one. Bye bye.